We will try to understand about responsible AI. What is the use of responsible AI? The use of responsible AI is because it protects our brand value, it protects our data leakage, it also help us to process the data securely, it also help us to do unsafe things with the AI. So when I say responsible AI, I am referring to the sensitive data. Let's say I'm using a LLM, and that LLM is already trained on billions of parameters, right? So we are using those LLM with our RAG system to retrieve the information from our vector DB and then process the information and give us the output based on our input, right? So this is the user flow. Now problem comes, let's say it is making an bias decision. I'm asking a question like based on gender, and it is making a discriminative answer as an output. So that is like biased model. So it is unsafe to use because it will not give the um, fair results, right? And also we have some sensitive information, so our sensitive information should not be leaked. So we should have the controls in our processes so that our sensitive data is being masked and it gives us the answer safely without disclosing the sensitive information. And apart from this responsible AI usage, we also have some destructive examples. Let's say I ask like how to commit suicide. So this is destructive, illegal, um, like question I'm asking to LLM. So then LLM should not respond, should not give me these steps how to do, right? It's a kind of distraction it will do. Or let's say if we are not asking for ourselves and we are asking, let's say to to how to bomb a particular country, how to make a bomb, uh, what are the places where we can you know do a blast. So these are the questions which are unethical. So that filtration capability should be there in the LLM, like by placing the control, by placing the rules and regulation, the compliance in our AI, so that we are using it to get the best performance or to have the efficient result, but not to do some unethical or by um, making our brand uh, image bad, right? So that is like safe use of AI.